Hello everyone. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a QR code to the Apple Wallet in 2026 and whether or not this is possible to do. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing. Your Apple Wallet does not allow you to manually scan or store any of the random QR codes directly. Instead, QR codes can only be added if they are part of a supported pass, such as any tickets, boarding passes, or the event entries. So, if the QR code is provided to you by the supported application or service, you need to start by opening their application. For example, this could be an airline ticket or any event pass or booking confirmation. So once you open the QR code, simply look for this particular tab that says Add to Apple Wallet. When you are able to find this button, simply tap on it. Then tap on the option of Add that will be on the top right hand corner of the screen. This way your QR code will now be saved inside your Apple Wallet as a scannable pass. Now, if you have received the QR code via email, you can just open the email on your iPhone, and again you can look for this particular button and follow further instructions to add it in your Apple Wallet. But if there is no add to Apple Wallet option available, that means you can't directly add that particular QR code into the Apple Wallet. However, in that case, you can use some of the other applications in order to convert that QR code into the wallet compatible passes, and then you can basically add them. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.